shoot. Come on, Eliar, what have you been working on? Let's go.
Hold him, time up.
Bro.
Good.
Good. Come on, Eliar, you got it.
You just shattered his dream. You just took it.
Come on, Eliar, get put that hip toss. Let's go.
Pull it. We just went over it, baby. We just went over it. Throw him.
Let's go. Toss his head down. Let's go for the shot.
Grab his shirt, okay? Throw him. Drop him.
He's grabbing the shirt. He's grabbing the shirt.
He's grabbing the shirt.
Good. Take down. Take down. Take down. Take down. Good. Come on, Eliar, you're up. Watch out for that high guard. Control his biceps, Eliar. Control his biceps.
He needs to block it. He needs to block it.
Toss your head up. Get that hand off. Remember we worked on the other day.
Push the hand away. Push the hand away. Push the hand away.
Push. Get out. Stand up. Go. Keep blocking. Good. Stay relaxed. He doesn't have anything for you.
He doesn't want it. Look how hard he's working. Hold him. Relax.
Control his biceps.
Relax.
Knee on the butt. Let's go. Get out of there.
Push his hip. Take it to his thigh. Put your knee right in his butt.
Come on, Eliar. You got it. Stop pulling on short. Come on, stay relaxed. You got it. Stay relaxed. Good. Sit up. There you go.
That's right. Do it again.
How many times before you call a point? Come on, he's already started. Eliar. Posture up. Posture up.
Posture up. Posture up. His arms are not strong enough to hold you down.
Posture up. Push on his hip.
His arms are not strong enough to hold you down. Look at him.
Get your hands off the mat. He doesn't have anything right there.
He doesn't have it.
He doesn't have it right there.
All he's doing is wasting his energy. Let him.
Come on, let's go. You got it. Go. So put your hands on his biceps. Good. Stand up. Posture up. Eliar, now.
Drop your hips and posture up.
There you go.
Good.
There you go. He's just holding on. That's all he's doing.
His arms are tired. They're tired already. Look at it. You can see him.
Push on his biceps. Don't do that. Let's go. Eliar, get your hands off the mat. Get on his biceps. There you go. Good.
That was us, right?
He's tired. Come on, Eliar. Stay in control. You got it.
We're up.
Stay relaxed, Eliar. Don't give him anything. Eliar, listen to me. Do not dig. Stay relaxed.
He'll give you the submission. He'll give it to you.
Keep swimming, Eliar. Posture up.
Just keep dominating him. That's okay. He has nothing there.
There's nothing, Eliar. Posture up.
Posture up.
Posture up,
Throw
Eliar.
that middle foot out of the way and posture up.
Control his biceps. You got 20 seconds. Just keep him there. Stay relaxed.
There you go. Look, he can't pull you anymore. He can't pull you if he doesn't.
Control his biceps, Eliar. Biceps. Control him.
Push his arms down.
There you go. 10 seconds. Posture up. Stay right there. Just control him.
5 seconds, baby.